Previously, 500 million years of waiting, chemistry became complex, membranes formed, RNA appeared, but still, no life. Then, something changed. Not a cell, not yet, but a hint. I almost missed it. It was small, microscopic. It was quiet, no movement, but it was different. Let me describe the first hint of life. Imagine a bubble, made of lipids, the bubble's skin, filled with RNA, amino acids, and other molecules. This bubble was not alive, but it could grow by adding more lipids and maintain internal chemistry different from the outside. This is called a protocell. Not yet life, but closer than anything before. I watched them form in hydrothermal vents. Most protocells lasted minutes. The bubble would pop, the contents would spill, the experiment would end. But some lasted longer, hours, days. The longer a protocell lasted, the more chances it had to copy itself. Reproduction is not life. Crystals reproduce, they grow, then break, but they repeat the same pattern forever. Protocells were different. When they split, the contents divided. If one half had more RNA, it was different from the other. Different meant some worked better than others. Half A grew faster, half B faded away. This was the start of variation, the three ingredients of evolution: variation, selection, and inheritance. The engine was warming up, not running yet, but warming. Where were your ancestors? In the protocells. Every human today carries evidence of this. Your cell membranes are made of lipids. The protocell was the first container for the recipe of you. I watched your ancestor divide, unaware of what it was becoming. Tools, RNA enzymes, ribozymes that could cut, join, or build other molecules. This was the first technology on Earth. The most important tool was information, a molecular tool that could make copies of itself. On my world, we discovered this early. Each environment offered different advantages. Vents for energy, tidal pools for concentration. Each led to different paths. You came from one of these environments. Scientists debate which one. I know, but I am not telling, not yet. Dress, clothing, none. But these protocells had style, round, irregular, stable, or fragile. Each was an experiment. Religion, still zero. But something new appeared. Time. Biological time. The duration between divisions. Duration mattered. A protocell that copied faster left more descendants. Time became a selector, a judge, a god without a face. My supervisor said, "Do not confuse chemistry with purpose. The striving is physics." I disagreed, but I kept watching. End of cycle report. Potential raised to 7.5 out of 10. The line between chemistry and life is blurring. I can feel it coming. Next time, episode 1.6, the first cell. What appears? Luca. What changes? Everything. Subscribe. You do not want to miss this.